the GSM to check that whether it is 75 GSM or not. Okay, so we have to just place this sample inside it and close the door, and as you can see it's 75 GSM. So we can see the sample is like verified and the machine is calibrated. So this is how you have to check the GSM of all your samples. Okay, and for sheet I must say that you have to set the different types of readings. Okay, different types of papers have different types of readings, so you have to take the average. And also, like you can see, there is a 3 button now. So first we have to make it 0. Okay, so 0, how we can make it? By this tear button. Okay, so 0 button click. Again when I put this, you can see the sample again 75 GSM. Okay, and this is how I can put it out. So this basket you have to just make for the ones. So this is a 10 by 10 sample. Okay, sample cutter which we used to give along this machine so that you can test with this 10 by 10 sample. But along that we have another sample as well, like 20 by 25 we can use in many paper mills. Like paper consultant used to say that we have to check the GSM with 20 by 25 template, or somewhere it used to say that we have to check with 10 by 20 template. Okay, so we have set the different skills in it as well. So on GSM 1 you saw there is a 10 by 10 template. If we put this tear button again, then you can see 2 button is there, and then 25 by 20 scale is there. Again if we put this tear button, so there is GSM third scale. Okay, third scale is 20 by 20. Then again tear button, fourth scale is 25 by 25. Okay, so there are different scales that we can use. We can make different templates as well, and the result will be same in all the scales. Okay, and then again we have to use this tear button. So GSM 5, as you can see, then it means then there will be no 5/05. Okay, and the again if we put this tear button, then there will be no GSM. So like there is no scale right now, and it works as a simple weighing balance as well with 0.01 gram accuracy for sure. Okay, and also I can put this weight now, this 200 gram weight, and then we can see that what is the weight in it within grams. Okay, so I'm just putting it inside and you can see, so it's 200 gram weight. So that's all about the machine. Thank you so much. So this is a 200 grams weight, and the machine is packed due to this cover with air packed so that air cannot go inside. And here we can see, so you can see 200.01 the weight is. So we have to make it 200 proper. So what we have to do, this 0 button we have to press for long to calibrate the machine with this 200 gram weight. So I'm just pressing it long and releasing. So as you can see, calibration is going on. 200 grams set, and you can see 200 gram is there. So when I put this out, you can see there is a 0. Okay, and when I put this weight inside again, so the weight will be 200. You can see this is completely calibrated right now. So now there are different modes in this to use the test for paper industry and corrugation industry. So with this 0 button you can see the different test. Okay, so as you can see, this is the red button to choose GSM 1. Now if I press on the 0 button, green button, then you can see 10 by 10 template is there. So if we are using 10 by 10 template, then we have to use this option. So this is the 10 by 10 template that I am having right now. So with this we can cut out the sample and place in it to check the GSM. Okay, and there are more modes of GSM as well to test, so I can show you first that as well. So as you can see, first of all I have selected this 10 by 10 option. Okay, to make sure that how it works. So this is, you can see, this is a complete white paper. This is a JK red paper, 75 GSM paper, and I'm just cutting it out. So you can see how we have to cut with this sample. Okay, so from all the corners we have to cut it. Okay, like this we have to cut the sample. So the sample we have right now in our hands. Okay, now we have to place it in the GSM. So we have to just fold it 1 time and 2 times, and that's all. So as you can see, this is the sample of 75 GSM paper, and I'm just placing it now inside it. Okay. Hi everyone, so today we are making the box for GSM Balance as weight is needed to stop the air that is coming around. So this is the box that we are making right now. Okay, so we have to just screw it up. So let me show you one by one. So this is how you have to place all the walls to make a complete box. So this is how we have to screw this up to make a proper box. So this is how we have to put the hook on the main door to open the door. So as you can see, it is ready to do and place the weights and unplace. So as you can see, our box is set to use on the machine. Okay, so here is a button inside this, okay, where my finger you can see in this way. Okay, so there is a button to switch on the machine. So as you can see, our machine is on. So this is a 200 grams weight, you can see. Okay, so I'm just placing it to